Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to remove background noise in Discord. So first, what you want to do is go to your user settings here. Once you're there, under the app settings section, click on voice and video, and as you can see there's an input sensitivity here. So it basically helps you determine where the background noise can come. So if I like don't speak, the background noise can be seen here. So as you can see on the yellow stuff or the yellow line here, that's where the threshold of the background noise can be heard. So if you like move it just a little bit above that background noise like that, so that if you move it like just like so, your voice will be perfect, and of course the background noise can be heard, but your voice can be heard, which can be seen here on the green line where the shadow here gets. So that's where your voice can go through, and of course what your friends can hear, and they cannot hear what is on the yellow line right here. But of course, if you don't want this and just want to automatically determine input sensitivity, you can just click on this one. And if you have problems with your like mic or your audio, I suggest that you turn all of these off, like the echo cancellation, and on noise suppression just click on standard. And on the attenuation, I suggest that you put it on 0%, since this will lower the volume of other applications when others speak, or when you guys or friends speak in a voice channel. So just click on this too. Here on audio subsystem, I recommend you, if you have problems, you could try go click on legacy right here. But if you don't, you could just go stick with standard right there. And also with the noise suppression here, you could go with crisp, but I suggest that you go standard or none. So I think none will be better, since this can like cause problems for your audio. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe, because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.